Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for being patient. So, carrying on from where we were last week. We had. Let me find the pen that works. We had two types of platform. Your character, trying to make a stick man, and then we created a spawner, and that spawned our enemy lobby ghost character. This is the bare minimum of a computer game. So, things to run on, an enemy, your character, and we have the coin pickups as well. But what I'd like you to do in the time remaining, because we only have a week left, is I'd like you to design this as if you're making your own platformer that has these components, and then you actually create the artwork and put it in and design it. Because these are two types of prefab. There's prefab 1 and prefab 2. So what's on these, it doesn't have to be just 3 or 4 blank cubes. It could, each one of these cubes could be something unique to your game world. So are you in groups already? Because you seem to be bunched up.
Maybe.
Maybe? Are they in groups?
Coerce them.
Are they in?
You need to force them sometimes. You are in groups now. You're welcome.
Whoever is close to you will assume that you like these people, so they will be good group members.
Probably mix up with people who have some, have played with Unity and got the grasp for it, and mix with people that didn't quite get what's going on, right? So that everyone has an opportunity to actually get their hands dirty and see what's going on. So ideally, groups shouldn't be too big, because usually group dynamics comes in the way if you have more than 3 people. So preferably smaller than that, but I think we won't be particularly harsh. In essence, what we want to get out of it, no, wrong. What you want to get out of it is that you pass the exam, and in order to do that, you need to have a vague understanding of how Unity works, because there, things like prefabs, whatever that could be. Richard, what is that? Anyway, so that could be asked in the exam, right? So point is, on one hand, use it as an opportunity to have some sort of fun and play with the environment, and try to get your first game going if you like. But on the other hand, of course, you would want to have seen something, right? If you abstain and not doing anything, yeah, you better don't answer the games section in the exam then. So, because you may not be able to. So that's the idea here. So form groups that make sense. Who has them? Who got a grasp of Unity right now? Cool. Number 1, 2. All right.
All right.
Okay. Sanity check. Who has no grasp at all? Please don't already. Okay, that's 5 people. So the people that don't have a grasp yet, please mix with people that have some grasp and people that actually have grasp of it. So then we have a kind of a bit of a learning opportunity on either side. And then back to Richard.
Yep. Okay, great. So now that you have your team members, I want you to think about designing a theme today. So who is your character? We'll assume he is a robot. And this enemy, at the moment, he's this red blob thing. But you could replace that image with anything. These green blocks, you could replace with anything. Could be like a metal platform. You could add flowers to these platforms. You could add the coin to this platform. You could replace the coin with something else. All you need is a basic art tool like Photoshop and something that has alpha transparency. So if you have a flower, you're going to want to make sure that this is alpha transparent. So has everyone played with image editing tools before? I assume that everyone knows how to create an alpha transparent image. At least a couple of people in each group. So that's fine. So if you could teach everyone how to make your own artwork, basically, and get it into Unity, that would be an excellent task to do today. Yes?
There's a pretty good one online. It's called Photopia.
Photopia? Okay. Haven't used it myself, but
it looks like Photoshop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, got the basic functionality of Photoshop.
I think there's paint.net as well. which is like I think that has alpha transparency.
Yeah, I think you can rename paint.net to pain.net.
Pain.net.
No, that's,
I'm just old.
yeah. What's how do you spell this? What?
Photo.
Yeah.
PEA.
PEA. It's probably good. Just write it down so everyone has a chance to have a look at it, because I haven't seen that myself.
So we got Photoshop, Photopedia,
PEA. Not pedia. P. So just. That's right. No. So it's just an A, right? And not this one.
PEA.
Cool. Right, cheers. Okay. Paint.net, yes.
Yeah. So if you could think about and come to an agreement of broadly what the world is, why the robot is going through it, and why he's picking up these things and fighting these things. If you're all creating game content for this world, it has to be a cohesive idea, otherwise you have lots of mishmash things. So hopefully by next week, you will have all been able to create content and come up with completely unique game worlds, unique platformers. Does that sound achievable or scary? So hands up for achievable. Great, such positivity.
Okay. Scary.
Scary, X.
All right.
Exciting and scary.
And somewhere in between there. Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay,
well,
so like, get your image editing tool of your choice up. Get the repo downloaded and the correct version of Unity, if you haven't done that already, and get some art in today, so we know everyone can do it. And then you should have enough time to do it over the remaining week. So, take action, and we'll be round in 10 minutes. Doing it.